Okay, so apparently we're going to be looking at some monkeys here in a few minutes, and they are going to be eating. So, not really sure what this is all about, but we're going to check it out.
Okay, so we follow Doy.
Oh, we have to follow him.
Oh, they're excited. They're happy.
I know.
Okay.
There's a space there that which the guests could stay and then look on the other side.
Okay.
They don't scare to jump. Look at them. Even before, like some trees are still small. Even they have babies on their tummies. They could still swim.
This morning when we were watching the feeding, one of them fell off the branch into the water. It was so funny. And then he just popped back on. He was so cute.
And they know how to swim. No, it's
Okay.
Monkey feeding time.
Maybe they're having meeting. Okay, it's ready. We're gonna swim now.
Guys ready for the performance?
Oh yeah, they're coming.
And they know him too, don't they?
They know him.
Yeah.
Ever since these monkeys are here,
Yeah.
starting from the end, Doy.
They could probably smell him coming a mile away.
Yeah, look at the one. There's the baby hanging up.
Oh yeah. They're making their way. Come and get your food, guys.
Malangoy na nila, Doy.
Eat your food. Jeez.
Your shirt is so bright, huh? That's why.
Ay, siya tatag. Wala pa.
Here they come.
They're waiting for the food. Nasa tubig.
Look at them guys.
Ah, that's the alpha. He was looking around in the water. I think the alpha had it already. It's in the river. Mamulangoy na, ma'am. They know how to swim.
The other one is scratching right there.
Got it.
So happy.
Ilang babies, Troy? I found my baby. Look at the t-shirt.
There we go. That's what they wanted.
Look at
They're
the run.
waiting.
Yeah.
Want the easy fish. They don't want to swim. He says, "Oh, you got three." Going in his mouth and doing his
And
hands.
then the two hands and then with them full mouth.
It's like squirrels.
Look at the alpha.
Look at them go. He's going way up there. Oh yeah, he's gonna go
He get one and then he jump.
dine and dash.
And if there's nobody around here, they just go through this bridge and then keep jumping. They like babies, they playing around.
He's hiding out under the tree there.
Oh yeah, fine. Look at the other one in the middle. That's the alpha. I just run.
The baby.
Like sneaking up.
Because the alpha wants to take all the food first. So that's his seat. I don't know there's one here.
Well, that was pretty cool, hon. What do you think? Feeding monkeys?
Yeah. It should be nice if we have monkey together with jam and kimchi. And then we have piglet,
Can you imagine how our dogs would react if we brought them here?
especially jam jam.
Oh, they would be running inside that river trying to steal the monkey's food. And then Kimchi would be like, Jam, I don't know what she would be doing. Okay, so we're like on this little service road / trail that runs along the side of the resort we're staying at. Figure we'll just kind of walk, take a nice evening stroll, see what's back here before we eat dinner. That is, the food here is excellent. I'm looking forward to dinner. Don't know what I'm eating yet, but it's good stuff. You have any idea what we're eating? What you're eating?
I might be going for
Going
calamari.
calamari. Yes, we should definitely do calamari.
Calamari and then I don't know, I'm craving for pancit.
Again? Pancit?
What again? You see how he said again, but I never eat pancit for.
Oh wait! Oh man! Oh, what's up here? Let's check this out.
Go there, Han.
Don't go there.
They said if you don't have any, if they don't have those stuff,
Yeah.
that thing, then don't go.
All right.
Otherwise,
All
somebody
right.
will snatch you there.
Somebody
And
will snatch you
the
there.
gorilla will take you out.
Sure. Well, okay. So if you get on the bike and you start biking around here on their property, they said that the only place you can bicycle is on their property.
This, you know, the property is 24 acres.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's
why
not
you-
that much, really. I'm just kind of wondering if you get on the bike, they just want you to bike like
down here.
they just want you to bike
No.
in this area.
No, they have some trails.
Oh, well, we'd have to ask them.
Yeah.
But at any rate, we're just out for an evening stroll before we have dinner. What did we do today? Sat by the pool for a couple hours or so. Had some buko juice. That was pretty cool. And then, oh goodness, that's about it, really. We didn't really do anything today, did we? But the day sure as hell went quick. But I guess we'll kind of head over to the room and see what's going on over there. Here, check this out. This is the way we get. This is like the walkway to our room.
Do I need to go there and jump? Boom.
Yeah, no shit. So it's seriously, it's like you're literally walking through the jungle.
Welcome to our paradise.
Our paradise. Yeah, that's pretty wild. It's nice. So they're all numbered. Okay, now I know there's somebody staying in this one, number 4. There's somebody staying in this one. You can hear the air conditioners running. But beyond that, going back to our hut, I don't think so. I think we're the only ones back here right now. I know for a fact number 2 is out. There's nobody in there. And I think maybe a few of these rooms are being renovated.
They're still making. Because
So.
you see, they just finished putting the mirror, the
Yeah,
wall mirror.
yeah, that's right. We saw them doing that earlier.
So they haven't finished everything.
Yep.
Still ongoing renovation after a year.
Well, yeah, if it's due to the typhoon that rolled through here October of 2021, then yeah, I only saw pictures of what it looked like in Bohol, and it was a mess. So, anyways, all right, that's about it.